show you how to make the instant noodle in 5 minutes. Let's go! What we need: garlic, some spring onion, depend on you what you want, how many flavor you want, strong or no strong. And this one 2 egg, and this one like spring onion I just put with my oil. It will be like a homemade secret. So if you want to know how to make it, just look at the back on my channel. You will see the link. You will see the link how I make it. This one very yummy. And this one is just normal instant noodle. This one bean sprout. That's it. Let's go. Next one, of course, garlic. Everyone know garlic, number one, garlic. Ah, it smells nice. I hope you can smell it. Next ingredient is, you can go with the egg. And the second one, I will go with little bit fish sauce, and then I go little bit with the sesame oil. But if you like more, you can add more because it's my flavor. I like to be more everything. I have very strong flavor, so everything I need very strong flavor. And this one is soy sauce. And I mix it up again. Mix it. Like a veggie one, I don't like it with it, but it's very nice flavor. Try it. Now I put some oyster sauce. And my secret, I will tell you. Tang, sriracha. Oh, already smell. Oh. Pepper.